Simply from assembly here. 2-second lean is a quality improvement. Right now we've been noticing for a while that there are dents occurring only sometimes when we drill doors from this machine. And recently we realized this flap is causing that dent. It's moving underneath the stopper and squishing into the wood, creating a dent. Now it wastes our time because we have to repair it, which is a waste of motion and transportation for the door, or it becomes a defect or blue tag, and it's a waste of utilizing talent and defect. Hi, it's Tiffany from assembly again. About this guard right here, this flap, what we repaired. We simply cut out a small section out of the corner here so it will not get caught under this piece. We've used it for a while now. There's been no issues. We haven't seen it get caught underneath there for a while, so it's been great. We haven't had to do any rework or repair work since then. And also prevents the safety hazard with people trying to hold it up. Yeah, that's all.